Are you looking for the perfect smoothie for summer? Well, we are making a delicious blueberry cheesecake smoothie. I love to have this for breakfast or after the gym because it's packed full of nutritious ingredients and it's absolutely delicious. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. So the first thing I'm going to add to my blender is my frozen blueberries. I have 2 cups of blueberries. If you don't have frozen blueberries, you can always use fresh. I would just add some ice in because this is our icy layer of the smoothie. Next, I'm adding in 1 banana. Riper the better. The more ripe your banana is, the sweeter it will be. As well as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And for the cheesecake part of this drink, we are not actually putting any cheese in it. You can put cottage cheese if you like, or I like to use yogurt. So here I have 1 cup of vanilla cashew milk yogurt, but you can use any yogurt of your choice. I also have 1 cup of almond milk, but you can use any milk that you like. And you can add more if you want this to be a thinner smoothie or if you want a thicker smoothie. This depends on how much milk you add in. Now let's add in collagen. This is completely optional, but I like to add in a scoop of collagen just because since I've been having this daily, I have noticed that my hair has been a lot stronger as well as my nails. So I like to add this to my coffee in the morning or into my smoothies. You can have this be completely plant-based collagen. They have multiple different ones. So if you are eating a plant-based diet, they do have plant-based collagens out there. And this does make 2 to 3 smoothies depending on how hungry you are. So if this is just for one person, you can split this recipe in half. And here we have our finished smoothie. It looks so good and I absolutely love the color. It's so vibrant. But now the most important part is actually tasting it. That is so good. It actually does taste somewhat like a blueberry cheesecake. I have to say, you really get that creaminess from the yogurt and it's absolutely delicious. I love this drink. So please let me know if you try this smoothie and what you think in the comments down below. Also, if you want to see some more smoothies that are completely homemade and really easy to make, there should be a playlist right here or right here. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!